Hello everyone. Let's continue with the remaining part, that is the structure and function of the remaining part of the male reproductive system. As the sperm reaches the urethra, it is said that sperm is also a living cell. Every living organism requires food, proper temperature, pH, etc. to live. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for that particular cell to survive, right? So, from where is the sperm getting its nutrition, its environment, everything? So, this is by seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and bulbourethral gland. All the accessory glands secretes a fluid. The function of the accessory glands, that is seminal vesicle, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland, is that they secrete a fluid, and that fluid helps the sperm by giving them proper pH. So proper pH is maintained. Secondly, glucose is being supplied, which gives energy to the sperm. And finally, a fluid is secreted. So this fluid provides a medium for the sperm to swim. So it is said that seminal vesicles, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland maintains a proper pH. Proper pH, that is an alkaline medium has to be created. Why? Because once the sperm enters the female reproductive system, it is said that the female reproductive system is highly acidic in nature. So if the sperm alone goes into the female reproductive system, the acidic environment there will destroy the sperm, will not allow the sperm to go inside the female reproductive system and fuse with the egg. Hence, the sperm has to survive that acidic environment. For that, you have seminal vesicles, bulbourethral gland and prostate gland, which secretes an alkaline medium which neutralizes the acidity or acidic medium in the female reproductive system and helps the sperm to survive, right? In addition to that, it also has glucose. This glucose gives energy for the sperm to easily swim underwater. Imagine if the sperm is not given any glucose, sperm will not have any energy, and hence it will not swim or it will not be alive, or it will not have energy to swim and go into the female reproductive system, right? So this fluid, which consists of a proper pH, proper nutrition, is secreted by all the accessory glands, and this fluid has a special name which is known as semen. So semen is basically a mixture of sperm plus fluid which is secreted by accessory glands. Okay, what is the function of accessory glands? If there are no accessory glands, the sperm will not be able to survive properly. So all the secretions from seminal vesicles, from seminal vesicles, prostate gland, bulbourethral gland goes into the urethra, and sperms also goes into the urethra, and this semen or this fluid plus sperm can easily then go into the female reproductive system. Okay, moving to the next part, urethra. Urethra is a long tube. You can see it is a long tube inside the penis, inside the male reproductive system. Okay, so this long tube like structure is a common passage for urine and semen. Okay, there is a common passage. Urine also passes from the urinary bladder out of the male body through urethra, and the semen, that is a mixture of sperm and fluid, also passes outside the male body or male reproductive system through this urethra. So urethra is a tube which is a common passage for sperm and urine. Please note this down, is very important. Okay, and then we move to the last part, that is penis. Okay, penis is a very, very important structure of male reproductive system, because this is a organ which helps in the transport of sperm into the female reproductive system. If there is no penis, the sperm from the male body cannot enter the female body, and if the sperm from the male body is not entering the female body, then there will be no fertilization, no formation, and the male will become infertile. Infertile means it will not be capable of reproducing or giving birth to a baby. Okay, so penis is said to be, it is a muscular copulatory organ. Penis is said to be muscular. It is highly muscular in nature, and it is also said to be copulatory organ. Copulatory organ means it helps in entering the female reproductive system. Okay, it is a muscular copulatory organ, and what is its function? Transfer of semen into the female reproductive system. Okay, into the female reproductive system. It is said that always a couple cannot be pregnant, right? Always a girl or always a couple cannot have baby, but this semen has to be excreted out of the male body. So this process of excretion of semen out of the male body is said to be ejaculation. That is, males can excrete this semen into the female body, or it can excrete outside the male body also, and that process of excretion of semen outside the male body is said to be ejaculation. So that's all about male reproductive system. Or actually every part is as important, because every part has its own function to do. Okay, so that was all about male reproductive system. Thank you.